My name is Sanghyun and I'm from South Korea, and I did my undergrad at WestU in MSc department. I started working this center February 2014 as an undergrad research assistant. My advisor is Dr. Boyan Alexandrov, and I'm working with the Shell International and the director of the sponsor is Orke Penza. My first phase of the project was solidification cracking, the susceptibility ranking. So I used the casting thin tear test. So to do that, I melted samples to buttons and I replicate melts on the casting thin tear test machine, and then we relative rank the solidification susceptibility of the different alloys. And then second of all, I also did the glue test. It was to evaluate the stress relief cracking susceptibility of the various material. We increased the temperature and hold it for 8 hours, and if that material will crack and fail, and that's basically what I did. I want to give Shell what is the really better material for their purpose, and I hope that I can really make the good impact on their industry. I like here because it's kind of remote place. It's not the central campus, so it's less crowded. But it also was proven that the center is one of the leading the welding engineering center in the world.